The Ass in the Lion's Skin. Once upon a time, in a dense and vibrant forest, there lived an ass who was known for his gentle and humble nature. One sunny afternoon, while wandering through the forest, the ass stumbled upon an unusual find, a lion's skin. Someone must have left it behind, and as he examined it, an idea sparked in his mind. What if I were this lion's skin? He thought. I could finally be respected and feared by all the other animals in the forest. Excited by this idea, the ass carefully draped the lion's skin over himself. It fit surprisingly well, covering his entire body and making him look just like the mighty king of the forest. The ass felt a rush of confidence as he admired his new appearance. He decided to put his plan into action and began to wander through the forest in his new disguise. As he walked, he encountered various small animals. The rabbits, squirrels, and birds all saw the fearsome silhouette of what appeared to be a lion and scurried away in terror. The ass couldn't believe his luck. It was working. He felt powerful, invincible, and, for the first time, truly respected. I am the king of the forest now, he thought, feeling a sense of pride he had never known. He continued his stroll, enjoying the newfound respect and fear he commanded. However, the ass soon grew overconfident. He started approaching animals more boldly, relishing in the way they fled at the sight of him. As he roamed, he saw a fox preparing to run away, thinking a real lion was approaching. Thrilled by his success and caught up in the moment, the ass forgot one crucial detail. He needed to stay silent to keep up the illusion. In his excitement, the ass couldn't help but bray triumphantly. "Hee-haw, hee-haw," he exclaimed, unable to contain his joy. The loud, unmistakable sound of an ass's bray echoed through the forest, shattering the illusion he had so carefully created. The fox, who had been ready to dart away in fear, suddenly stopped in his tracks. He turned around and looked closely at the supposed lion. Realizing what had happened, the fox burst into laughter. "An ass. You are just an ass pretending to be a lion. You gave yourself away with your voice. Had you kept your mouth shut, I would have been fooled myself, too." Embarrassed and ashamed, the ass realized his mistake. The lion's skin had indeed made him look like a formidable predator, but his voice had betrayed his true identity. He had learned a valuable lesson. Appearances can be deceiving, but true respect and admiration come from being genuine and true to oneself. With his head hung low, the ass took off the lion's skin and returned to his usual self. As he walked back through the forest, he thought about what had happened. He realized that while it might be tempting to pretend to be something he was not, it was far more important to embrace who he truly was. From that day on, the ass decided to be proud of his own unique qualities. He continued to live peacefully in the forest, earning the respect of the other animals not through fear or deception, but through his kind and gentle nature. And though he never wore the lion's skin again, he carried the lesson he had learned with him always, to be true to himself and to appreciate the value of honesty and authenticity. And so, the forest remained a place where every animal, big or small, learned to value themselves and each other for who they truly were, creating a community of mutual respect and understanding.